The crown no made of silver nor gold, but still it shine ancient and bold. Each strand tells story of I trot, from Babylon fire to Zion God. Them laugh at I when me was youth, but now them see Jah light and truth. In a boast, me just live right, Rasta walk clean through darkest night. Me wear a crown of locks, bound out and free, symbol of strength and divinity. Me rose rock deep like old victory, Rasta rise up eternally. Me wear me crown of locks, no shame, I am not chanting Selassie I name. The world may mock, but still me stand, love for truth, the lion plan. Me not follow trend, me follow star. Me guide not man, me guide come far, from hills of Ethiopia to West Wind Shore. My spirit rich though me might be poor, me temple sacred, me breath a song. My handwork humble, my heart stay calm. Me sight the system, me know it fake, so me walk real and me not break. The locks on me head ain't just a show, south me take from long time ago. To bear the mark of the covenant, just soldier, patient, militant. So when you see me crown, show respect. Me not judge, me just reflect. What Babylon twist, Rasta correct. Truth and liberty we protect. Me wear a crown of locks, bound out and free, symbol of strength and divinity. Me rose right deep like old victory, Rasta rise up eternally. Me wear me crown of locks, no shame, I am not chanting Selassie I name. The world may mock, but still me stand, love for truth, the lion plan. Me not change for likes or style, me walk Rasta way mile after mile. Me speak I tell, me burn envy, me sight Jah face in every tree. So if you see me, give I hail. The crown, I sail on spirit trail, from Addis Ababa to island sand. Me walk still with Jah in hand. Me not follow trend, me follow star. Me guide not man, me guide come far, from hills of Ethiopia to West Wind Shore. Me spirit rich though me might be poor, me temple sacred, me breath a song. Me handwork humble, me heart stay calm. Me sight the system, me know it fake, so me walk real and me not break. The locks on the head ain't just for show, south me take from long time ago. Hills of Ethiopia to West Wind Shore. Me spirit rich though me might be poor, me temple sacred, me breath a song. Me handwork humble, me heart stay calm. Me sight the system, me know it fake, so me walk real and me not break.
At this time, don't feel like right. Darkness walk in a broad daylight. Them sell lies, dressed up like news, and prophet of the people's blues. But I not follow trend. Me sight people around the bend. Me hold to prophecy and prayer, even when no one else here. At this time, me stay awake. Me soul too precious for Babylon take. At this time, me I stay clean. Me spirit burn like kerosene. At this time, me walk with truth. Me chant for elders and the youth. At this time, me hold your line. Me roots run deep, me trees still climb. Them praise money more than life. Them build kingdom on envy and strife. Them call it freedom, but it's a trap. Sweet sugar lie with poison rap. The rest of man can't be fooled. Me know the system and all them rules, so me move wise like serpent tread, but heart pure like Zion bread. Me nah bend to depression or bow to fame. Me nah sell out Jah just for name. Me hold firm like mountain still. Me walk Jah way, me trust Jah will. So at this time, me blaze my path. Me chant truth while them play craft. Me know the game, me know the cost, but I will never get lost. At this time, me stay awake. Me soul too precious for Babylon take. At this time, me I stay clean. Me spirit burn like kerosene. In at this time, we walk with truth. Me chant for elders and the youth. In at this time, we hold your line. Me roots run deep, me trees still climb. In at this time, we stay awake. My soul too precious for Babylon take. In at this time, me eyes stay clean. My spirit burn like kerosene. In at this time, we walk with truth. Me chant for elders and the youth. In at this time, me hold your line. Me roots run deep, me trees still climb. In at this time, in at this time. When I let go, when I lose mine. Stay in light, but fight the fear. Just still close, just always near. This time, this time. When I let go, when I lose mine. Stay in light, but fight the fear. Just still close, just always near. In at this time, me stay awake. My soul too precious for Babylon take. In at this time, me eyes stay clean. Me spirit burn like kerosene. In at this time, we walk with truth. Me chant for elders and the youth. In at this time, me hold your line. Me roots run deep, me trees still climb. In at this time, when I let go, when I lose mine. Close, just always. Turn up the bass, let the ground shake. Rhythm run hot like sun pan leak. Word sound power, this can't fake. Truth cut deep like a sword for weight. Them build empire with steel and lie, but one drop rhythm make it cry. Select a pull up, spin it clean. Music tear down what them can see. Sound kill Babylon, no blood run. Just truth in rhythm, word and drum. We fight with mic, not with gun. Jah light blaze until them done. Sound kill Babylon, dance floor full. Every heartbeat like bass like pull. We chant for justice, chant for peace. Till all oppression finally cease. See elders by speaker stand, chanting songs for the promised land. Me see youth rise with spark and fire, ready for truth, now fall liar. From Tower Hill to Ethiopia plain, Rasta voice break every chain. When rhythm drop, the lies collapse. Shall run things, can't stop that. Me no need bomb fi mash them plan. Me drop one tune and them can't stand. From root to leaf, we purify. This reggae fire can't deny. So let the trumpets sound, let Zion roar. One dub plate more fi settle the score. Me see them fall in a soundboy war, while truth echo from speaker core. Sound kill Babylon, no blood run. Just truth in rhythm, word and drum. We fight with mic, not with gun. Jah light blaze until them done. Sound kill Babylon, no retreat. Wisdom heavy like thunder beat. We chant for love, chant for right. Rhythm rise like morning light. Every truth must be heard. From the hills to the slum. From the hills to the slum. Sound kill Babylon done.
Before sun, same old shoes. Nothing for eat, still the
can't lose. Me mother pray while the kettle dry. Me step in faith, not asking why. Them say me poor, me know me rich. Cause me heart beat strong, and my mind no switch. Me nah beg fame, me nah beg light. Me just hold firm and chant through night. Still I rise when the world goes down. Still I stand when the laugh and frown. Still I chant when the voice get low. Still I go like roots below. Still I rise with no gold chain. Me wear scars like a lion mane. But not give in, be not disguise. Me walk with truth, still I rise. Some police come search my lane, but me soul not carry shame. Me youth them need food and book, so me hustle clean, me fine and up. Me virgin fall to street last week. Me light a candle and still me speak. Me no revenge, me secret beer. Me know just see me everywhere. Me no bind for lose, me bind for fight. Every day me mash up wrong with right. Me take the licks, me take the blows. Still my spirit rise like rose. Babylon rough, the system cool, but the story still I go be told. Me carry bricks with empty plates. Still me chant, still me create. Still I rise when the world goes down. Still I stand when the laugh and frown. Still I chant when the voice get low. Still I go like roots below. Still I rise with no gold chain. Me wear scars like a lion mane. But not give in, be not disguise. Me walk with truth, still I rise. This one for every ghetto youth who wake up in pressure and still show love. For every mother who stretch one coin to 3 plates. For every man who choose peace even when pain run deep. You see, you just see you still, you rise. You rise. You rise. Them tell we lies from birth to grave. Them hide the books and call we slave. But deep inside my spirit burn. If we know the truth and overstand, learn. Me shut them out but open sight. Me walk with job, me dream at night. Me see beyond delusions veil. Where wicked tremble, truth prevail. Third eye open, now me say, through the smoke and mystery, no more blindfold on I mind. Shall reveal what man can't find. Third eye open, vision clear. Now bow down to doubt or fear. Me trod in silence, but awake. Me soul too strong for them to break. Them flash illusion like a show, but roots my wisdom always grow. Me seek the herbs, me seek the sound, where sacred teachings still abound. Not in temples made by hands, but in the hills and in the sands, where birds and wine still speak to eye, and starlight guide from up on high. Not everything seen with eyes is real. Not everything hidden stay concealed. Jah give me vision not made by flesh, so we see clean, no Babylon mess. Me close me eyes but my sight expand, like Ethiopian scroll in hand. No walk with lion, me sit with priests. No wisdom rise while them run feasts. Third eye open, now me say, through the smoke and mystery, no more blindfold on I mind. Shall reveal what man can't find. Third eye open, vision clear. Then I bow down to doubt or fear. We trod in silence but awake. Me soul too strong for them to break. Open wide, your light inside. Ooh, truth, not pride.